soft glow feature lets you control the ambient light that's around the display. This is important because the medical images are typically very bright, and if the background around them is very dark, then what happens is your eye is continually adapting between the bright image and the dark background. And as your eye adapts back and forth, it gets tired, and by the end of the day, you really feel the fatigue in your eye. So now, let's look at this as if it were a real reading room. So now imagine that I have this patient folder, but the room is dark, and I'm trying to read what is the name of this patient. So it could be nice to be able to press the button. Here it's the second button over, and I can turn on the soft glow task light. And now it would be very easy to read the name on the patient folder. In addition, it's also making it a less adaptation when I'm looking between these images and down here. Similarly, I can turn on the light behind this, and so now I have a light that's lighting up the wall. Of course, you can have both of them on at the same time, and now you have a nice ambient light around the display. This light level can be set. And so if I go into the system settings, I can say, okay, I want the task light to still be on, but I want it to be rather dim because I don't need it to be too bright. And maybe the wall light, I would like that also to be lower because I'm not looking at images that are particularly bright. So you can set that profile to the levels that you prefer, and now you have a more ergonomic environment, and really the system is set up just the way you would like. If you would like more tips on how to improve your way of working, please check out our other workflow videos.